Hello everyone and good day to all of you. So in this video, I will introduce the topic of seismic data processing and imaging, and it is actually a complete course in which we are going to cover about the seismic acquisition, which starts from acquiring the data and how many types of acquisition geometry we have in seismic processing or acquisition, and proceed by the seismic data processing workflow. Will start from the raw data and the initial processing, which is called the pre-processing in the seismic industry, and also some necessary steps which is crucial for doing the seismic processing. And obviously we'll be looking at the different imaging algorithms such as diffraction migration, Kirchhoff migration, RTMs, pre-stack, post-stack, different type of migration and imaging algorithms we are going to discuss in this course. Further, we will extend our course into the seismic interpretation. In interpretation, we will cover like the simple interpretation, jump interpretation, then creating 2D, 3D, and also 4D seismic interpretation. And obviously the main target for us is to look at the hydrocarbon in the subsurface. So in acquisition part, we will discuss about the survey design, how many types of survey design we have, and also cover the acquisition geometry like the horizontal resolution or the vertical resolution, and what is the effect of our source geometry or the receiver geometry on the seismic data. Let's say if we have the source or the survey or the receiver geometry in a different format, then we'll look at what is the effect of the subsurface illumination of the subsurface. Then in the seismic processing, we will be covering from the initial processing, which called the pre-processing, like trace killing, bed trace editing, bed geophone, or these type of different pre-processing step like the surgical mute, top bottom mute, and also FK transform, FK filtering, the noise reduction and signal enhancement will cover in the pre-processing. Then we will cover after the seismic processing, we will jump into the seismic interpretation, which will cover about 2D interpretation, 3D interpretation, surface mapping, and also multi-type of interpretation will cover. So let's say if you are interested and you are students in the university or in the college, so this course will help you a lot. And if you are industry professional or you're working in a research institute in a university, then this course will help you a lot. Or either if you're working individually in the industry or you are doing some research project or doing the consultation work, so this course will also help you. Even if you're working in the industry or any type of consultancy project, so this will help you as well. Obviously, if you're working on some of the subsurface reservoirs in any part of the world, such as Gulf of Mexico, North Sea, Australian Basin, New Zealand Basin, Malaysian Basin, or any part of the region, so this course will help you to understand the subsurface seismic data processing and interpretation. And also if you are working on the 4D interpretation, such as reservoir, dynamic reservoir changes, and also look at the different type of reservoir properties. And also if you have a complex challenges such as carbonates, so this will help you as well. And obviously the final target for us in this course will be to look at the reservoir and suggest a well point suggestion in developing reservoir. So with that's all, thank you so much, and I hope you will enjoy this course and you will achieve some of the targets and most of the targets in this course. Thank you so much and have a good day.